All right, day 2. We are still in India. We are working on the letter I. I is for India. Sorry guys, but this is one of those crazy letters that has a couple different ways you can write it. But let's go.
Yep.
All right, we have our capital and our lowercase. They are different. However, sometimes you will see a capital I just like that and a lowercase I like that.
Yep.
Without the top and the bottom. What is the problem with that? The problem is if you have a word search or something that we're doing, this is also a lowercase L.
Yeah.
So for ours, we're going to put a cross on it so that we can distinguish. But you will see an I like this. So I just want you to be aware that sometimes that's an L and sometimes it is a capital I.
Yes.
Love the English language.
Always.
Let's not make it simple.
No.
All right, so capital, lowercase. The only difference is the lowercase I is smaller and it does not have the crosses, but it has a nice little dot at the top. Some people like to get creative, and do their little, dots or something.
That middle school girl heart over the eyes.
Yep. All right, so stretch out those fingers, get them all ready. We're going to make our capital I by starting at the top, drawing a line down, and then giving it 2 little crosses, one at the top, one at the bottom. So straight line down, cross it at the top, cross it at the bottom. And then our lowercase, smaller, not as tall, straight line down, and give it a little dot. All right, straight line down, give it a little dot. Try it with your dry erase markers. Straight line down, give it a cross. Give it a cross. All right, straight line down, give it a cross, give it a cross. If you feel up to it, color it in if you want. Color it all the way in. All right, lowercase, same thing. Straight line down, boop. Straight line down, give it a little dot. All right, if you look, we have I is for India. Miss Rachel.
Yes.
Do you see any more I's on this page?
I do. I see a few I's.
Okay.
We have a lowercase in is.
Look at that. That's a fancy one, isn't it?
It is.
It's got a lowercase. Okay, so another way to write it.
I see one right here at the end of India. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, I was trying to
And
stump you.
The wiggle worms right there. There's an I.
There it is. All right, so if you look at the top corner, Miss Rachel went over this yesterday. It is the outline of the country.
Yep.
And you can see that it has the flag put into the middle of it. Just the colors, just to be cute. So orange, white, green, and in the middle
Is the Dharma wheel.
is the Dharma wheel. All right, guessing game. You ready?
Oh, yes, let's do it.
All right. Let's see if I can even draw this upside down. That's kind of good. You put them in a cup.
Oh, it's an ice cube.
Oh, that looks better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Ice cube. All right. Something like this. I don't know. Can you tell what I'm making?
I can tell what you're making. Yep.
Okay, what am I making, Miss Rachel?
That is an igloo.
That is an igloo. All right. All right. Igloo.
That is an ice cream cone.
An ice cream cone. What's your favorite flavor?
Oh, I like vanilla.
Plain old vanilla?
I do. I
Come
like,
on.
but I don't discriminate. I like just about every ice cream flavor.
Okay.
But
I'm a mint
vanilla is
chocolate
classic.
chip.
Ooh, fancy.
But not big chips. It's like the shaved, like the real thin and not green. It has to be the natural vanilla or, white.
Yeah.
No green dye in mine.
Exactly.
All right. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, let's see. funny. I don't know. Look, I don't know, Rachel. Can you even tell? What...
I think I can tell. I think that's an iguana.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's an iguana.
He's adorable. Just perfect. He's amazing. Just the way he is.
Let's turn it over. All right. So, if you look down the side, we have INDIA, fancy A. Remember I said we're going to mix them up. So sometimes you'll see an A like this. Sometimes you'll see an A like that. Sometimes you'll see a lowercase I like that. Sometimes you'll see it like this. Sometimes you'll see the capital I like this.
Yep.
Okay? So these are all different variations that you will see. Keep this in mind because you can practice these too. But for us, we're going fancy today. All right. So first thing that I want you to do is just to practice writing the letters on your board. Okay, so. All right, so this one is our fancy one. Yep. Remember I said we're writing fancy today. All right.
Ooh, that is fancy.
Okay.
Nice job.
So then your goal is to look at all these dots and see if you can make these letters anywhere in the board. Okay, you can start big and go small, whatever, but I'm gonna do it big first. So you wanna connect the dots to make the letter. See how I'm doing that? Okay, it might take you a minute to figure it out. Okay, so that one was big. Let me try a small one. There's our straight line down and across. I guess I did two. Okay.
There you go.
Maybe I want to do just one across. How's that? Looks a little more proportionate.
There you go.
Okay. And then if you want to do the other type of I, we can do that. All right. And if we want to make our lowercase I, we can go like this. Okay, with our dot right at the top. All right, let's try. So you can do it anywhere. All right, let's try our lowercase n. All right.
Now what? Because there's kind of a curve in that little n. How do we do that?
But if you, well, I probably did this way too big, but if you look, it's kind of like a straight line, right? And then it kind of curves so I can still connect.
Ah, I like that. That's awesome.
All right, and if you were trying to do a huge lowercase n, wow. All right, this is going to be challenging.
Ooh,
let's see if we can do this.
You've committed now, Miss Chrissy.
I have. I like the challenge. All right, let's see if we can. Oh, I missed one.
Oh, you're so close. There you go. There it is.
Similar. Maybe I should have went to this one and down. Very cool. All right. D. All right. Lowercase. So we got our straight line down. Now make sure it is not facing this way because that would be a
B.
B. All right. D goes this way. All right. Let's try it. Connect, 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 connect. Oh, do I want to come up here? There we go.
Oh, looks great.
All right. And again, you can make them small too. All right. Just try to keep on the dots. Oh, I'll just make that longer.
Nope.
All right. You know what it looks like to me?
What does it look like to you? Oh, from your end, looks like a big P.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. Let's try our I. I jumped to the lowercase I earlier,
There
but
we go.
we'll do it again real quick. All right, this A. Whoo, this one's gonna be fun. All right, so we kind of have like a curve at the top, and then it goes straight down a little, and then it kind of curves back up. That looks pretty good. And then we have like a circle. Beautiful. It's a little long.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. I could make it a little bit longer. Whoop. Go down. All right. And then if you want, totally separate from this, just another fun game, get 2 different colors. All right, so if you look down at the bottom of your board, you will see a hand. Miss Rachel.
Yes.
What is on the hand?
So this is a special ink called henna. And henna is almost like a temporary tattoo. It does last a couple days though. Maybe even a week or two, depending on how well it's done. And it's usually used for special occasions like getting married. Big important events like that, they'll get henna tattoos on their hands.
And I know a lot of the times if you go to like an amusement park, they actually can do henna tattoos on you.
Yes.
So our goal is to match the other side of the hand. All right, so she has some bands. So I just drew 2 little lines there. Let me finish it off.
There you go.
Okay, that was the easy part, right?
That's right, not too bad.
All right, this is where it's gonna get crazy. I am assuming that this is a full circle. So let me start there, right? And then this kind of came up. So let's start, maybe
almost
here.
have like a wrist. Yeah, there you go.
And then it looks like it's like right above it. And then it looks like we kind of have some like straight lines down. Maybe a little bit longer. And then maybe a line. Oh, that's looking pretty good. And then under each open spot is kind of a little arch. There we go. Okay. Now let's see. Now we kind of have a part of a circle. Shoop. That's pretty good. But this one has kind of like bubbles on it. Mine doesn't look quite as pretty, but all right. And then this one looks like it goes down and around. Oh, it actually goes all the way down. Beautiful. All right, and then we got another one that comes right above it. And this one has all the, whoa, I'm off your hand. Let's see, these got little bubbles on it. Have you had henna, Ms.
I
Rachel?
have not, but I've seen it on other people, and it's just beautiful. It's so unique and intricate. It's just so pretty.
Yeah. So once you did the other half of the hand, you can even, if you want, add patterns to this side if you want. You know, see what other kind of patterns you can make. On the thumb, it had the 3 little dots, 1 big, 2 small. Okay, so there's other things that you can trace, working on your fine motor skills there. All right, and see what other kind of symbols or patterns that you can come up with and put it on the rest of the hand. All right, when you are done, you can even bring your sticky string if you have it from other kits or Play-Doh and kind of roll it out and make different patterns too. Just an idea since you're supposed to be keeping some of these kits. All right, so then we have our maze. We are going to try to get to this beautiful building, which is the
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Would love to see it one day. Cobra, not my friend.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say, you know, I'm gonna try to stay away from him. Elephant, would love to see. All right, so let's start our maze. Try to stay in the lines. I can just tell that that one is not going anywhere. Okay, so we got a couple decisions to make. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna look. Nope, don't go there. If I keep going, I'm gonna get that snake, that cobra. No, 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 no.
Just move along.
Just move along.
Keep moving.
I'm gonna go quick and down and around. Like, stay away from me. All right. Oh, we're close. Gotta keep going though. No opening. Nope. Hi, elephant.
Hello, friendly elephant.
I'd like to take a ride. Actually, I would just sit and watch them.
I know, right? They're so beautiful, majestic.
All right. We have made it. Made it to the Taj. All right. So that is it for our letter boards. Hope you guys had fun. Bye.